Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy. So this is for your daily energy, Cancers. For your career situation, we'll be picking one card. This is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So this is the card. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Cancers, for your daily energies, it is the Star, Ace of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, Cancers, you may be extremely lucky, guys, how things are going in your situation. Maybe some rare opportunities are coming your way. You are enjoying success, abundance and prosperity today, and you are happy for it. And maybe people, the way you behave in your situation, they may be jealous and they may see you as a person trying to use your authority and power in your situation to try and control them. Maybe the people you work with, or it may be your employees or people in your family. So just because you are successful, they may see you like that, but you are doing things in an effective way, but people see you in a different light today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be interested in something in your heart of hearts. You may feel that your focus is changing towards something. Maybe for some of you, you may be turning towards your spiritual enlightenment, something pushing you in some other ways. Though you are successful, though you have everything in your life today, in your situation, you are happy for how things are going. You may see that in your heart of hearts, you may have some kind of intuition guiding you towards something spiritual, or you may be turning to some kind of spiritual practices in your situation today. So you have that change of focus today, guys. That is what I see. So your focus is on something else, not on these the pleasures or happiness of this of your situation, the success whatever you have. And also in your situation today, you have that confidence, clarity in your decisions. You have hope and faith in your heart. So whatever the situation may be, you are able to enjoy that balance and harmony in your situation because you are a person of clear thinking. You have that clarity and you feel inspiration, and you do anything, any action only when you have that inspiration, Cancers. So that is what gives you that peace of mind, because you have that total conviction in your situation. Whatever path you choose, you do it with that firm conviction. So that is also what I see with these cards, Cancers. Let us see what is your card for your career situation, guys. It's the Moon in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, maybe it is for your career situation, guys. Sorry. So in your career situation, You may see some delays in your work situation. There may be people doing mistakes in work, some kind of errors, maybe something giving you stress in your situation, guys, and something which is disrupting the way you work. So there maybe it may be your employees who are doing some mistakes. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Something stressing you in your career situation, guys. So let us see what is this card for your relationship. It's Two of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. They just want to surprise you. They just want to, maybe for some of you, visit you today, or they may want to surprise you with gifts or by visiting. So they are planning something today, guys, just for you, and you may feel really emotional when they are here, simply out of the blue, all of a sudden. So it's just going to make your day today, Cancers. That is what I see. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all, Cancers. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, but it may answer some questions you have about your situation, your career situation, or your relationship. So some guidance to when we follow that guidance, it will help us to have to see things in a better way and help us to change our day, guys, in a better way. So that is what this card is about. So this card is just for that analytical and logical thinking today, guys. So this stands for that. So in our relationship today, love is not logical, but sometimes when we are in a connection with another person, we have to have things that are common between each other. So when we do that, we will be able to build that connection on that, something we can talk about together, through something we can communicate. So when you don't have that common ground between you both, when you feel that you cannot have that compatibility in this relationship, when you're not sure about that other person, you don't have to force it, because it will not be worth your time, guys. So this is not the time for you to indulge in fantasy, no matter what. Facts are facts. So if this person and yourself, you don't have something in common, you cannot make this relationship work. So the same way, even in your career situation, calculated action is what is necessary right now to plan your strategy that will help you enjoy success today, guys. So you need to think clearly what you are going to do today, and what are your plans, and what is your strategy. When you have your plans laid out in front of you, you will be able to enjoy success in your career situation today, guys. So that is what this card is about, Cancers, and that is the reading for you today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Cancers. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.